Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm The Natural One, and this is another update for the mystery seed. Please subscribe, like, and comment down below if you think you know what this is, and also hit the notification bell so you will not miss out on any updates that I do, okay? Don't forget guys, this truly helps my channel, okay? So let's get into it. All right, so I had 5 that germinated. Unfortunately, 1 died. So there goes the little one over there that didn't make it, okay? But these 4 are still going strong. And I don't know. Do anybody know what this is? I'm telling you, I think it might be in a squash family. I don't know. But yeah, I spread it out so that way you can get a look at it. So yeah, I don't know. But looks like I'm going to have to plant it outside. But I don't know what companion to grow with. And I'm running out of room. So I might just keep it in here a little bit longer. So I don't know guys. But this is it. So if you know what this is, like I said, please feel free to leave a comment down below. Okay? And help me out. Alright guys. So thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.